So, what's up, guys? How you doing? Here today, we're gonna do the Leetcode 345 reverse vowels of a string. The basically pro the problem basically once was to reverse the vowels. So I with A, E with E. So, as you can imagine, we can use two pointers, one in the end and one in the start. So we can verify you are a vowel, yes, but J, J it's a vowel, no, so go backwards. So I is a vowel, J is a vowel, so please change, right? So just move forward and I it's a vowel. No, it's not. J is a vowel. Yeah, it is. So you will stay here and I go forward. And in the end, we'll have this. There's another example using Leetcode. So one pointer here and another here. And we go move only the I. And now we can change J with I and move ahead. And that's it. When they um, be equal or sorry, the loop will run while I is less or smaller than J. And uh, for the vowels, I think to use a set of the vowels because we um, don't have different different vowels, right? They are A, E, I, O, U. So they are they are different. Um, the access is all of one to these vowels, and the only trade-off is the memory, because the memory will be all of n. And let me just take the note here, space all of n and time all of n2. So we can solve these. First, let's create a set. I can name a set and a new hash set. Okay, and set dot add a a e I O U. Okay, so that's it. I have my set now, and I can create my two pointers, and I can call, let's call here string, and here start, and and is equal to my string dot length minus 1, while my start is smaller or equal to my end. I want to keep growing and shrink, so here, as you can see, I is not a vowel, so you go further. So if string dot char at start okay, my set dot contains my string dot char at start. So I found a vowel. So here it contains, here it does not. So it does not contain s plus plus if set contains does not contains my end and minus minus and if my set that contains and my set that contains as, I want to change, so I can create temp is equal to what? A char, sorry, char temp is equal to my string dot char at start, my string sorry. Okay, so if they are vowels, okay, so if they are vowels, I want to swap the value, the characters. So I'll pass my string, my index that I want to swap, and I want to increase start and decrease end. So I can create the method swap here, and I will return a string, I guess, and replace the string that I already have. So it's not the most performatic way, but it will work, I hope. So string 3 int start and int end. Okay, and I have to convert this string to a char array. So h string dot to char array. Okay, and char temp is equal to what? My ch at start. My ch at start will receive my ch at end, and my ch at end will receive my temp. Okay, and I will return a new string of this array. Okay, so I was forgetting something in the description, because as we can see, we are working with uppercase vowels, and we cannot just lowercase, because the output has these uppercase characters. So we can just add the uppercases vowels here. So I'm just run to see if it works, and I add some test cases. So pass, and let's see if it work. What? It did not, because the string is empty, and I have array out of bounds. 0, 1, they are equal. Okay. Oh, really? Damn. Okay. As we can see, the algorithm works, but it's not that optional, so um, I need to think in another way to solve this, because there's a really big string, and create a new string every time that I change a vowel, it will not work at all. So I'll be back, guys. Okay, guys, so I found how to make it better and more optional. So let's create a string builder here, and let's name it sb new string builder, passing my string, and I want the char damn, can call it h1 straight dot sharp at s, and char c, wait, ch2 straight dot sharp at end. Okay, perfect. Passed. Let's submit. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. At least it worked. And let's do the optional solution. And this is real world, guys. So I am not decorating the solutions. I'm trying to think and learn with you guys, and that's it. That's how it worked. Um, there's some YouTubers that just decorate the solution, but I'm trying to get better. I'm not lying to me, I'm not lying to you guys, so that's it. That's how it worked. Okay, so let's take a look in this right here. And as I can see, why we are doing this, right? We don't need a method that returns a string, and every single time that I find a vowel, I create a new string, sorry. So I can make different, right? So I can make my string builder SB new string builder straight right here, and I want to return you to string. Okay, so I don't need anymore to recreate a new string every single time, because I can only use this method. Okay, so working, and it's working, and that's it. Pretty much faster. Um, a little bit less of memory, and that's it. Um, the time complexity is all of n, because we are traversing the string on one time. So that's it. And the space complexity is all of n2. I don't think we can make better, but that's it.